I just received the 6-pack of dry floral foam blocks from K-Dudes. And look how nice these are. And let's open it up and do some flower arranging. Now this is great for artificial plants. And they're also very easy to cut. So this is what the foam looks like. And it is in a rectangular shape and measures 7.8 inches across by 2.4 inches wide by 3.5 inches tall. Perfect. And now let's do our potted plant. So I'm going to cut enough to fit it inside here, and they're also very easy to cut. Perfect. And as you notice, it did not crumble. So this is really good quality. And then we're going to stick that in right here. And now we're going to add our leaves. So as I mentioned, this is dry floral. And then you just pierce it in just like that. And this is great for floral arranging, crafts, great for holidays as well. And just a nice way and inexpensive way to decorate. And these are really good quality. It pierces very easily and holds its shape too. It's coming together very nicely. Perfect. Look how nice that came out. Isn't that beautiful? And it's really simple to do with this foam, as you can see. So you just plop that right back in, and there you go. Beautiful. Another nice feature, you can use this indoors or outdoors too. And these are perfect for vases, centerpieces, crafts, and science projects too. I'm sure you're going to come up with lots of different ways of using it. I was sent this from K-Dudes to evaluate, and I love it. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.